I am telling you guys, Taveionn reply. Wagwan everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your Empress and Jamaica Princess. What gonna be done? What gonna be done? So by the time of the time, you can already know what me I gonna do. I will be DMing 100 or I don't know, 50 or over, I don't know. But I'm gonna DM some Jamaican celebrity and let's see who answer. Let's see who's gonna give me the time of the day. So I'm gonna start screen recording right now. So it will be somewhere on the screen. So let's just go. So I'm gonna search Quite Harry and message. I'm gonna say, hey, let's do a collab with the small YouTubers for once. That's in one that. I'm not even gonna keep track accounting, but just go any number come up, any number come up. Let's do Tash Fierce. Hey Queen, let's do a collab with these small YouTubers. If them really answer, them not gonna answer because them people don't have time for people like we. Let me do some artists. Let me do Shensia. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna message her. I'm gonna say, you well and know say a Ramesh pick me. What is for Ramesh? Raw Mish. Yo, anyway, it's special. You must know who me attack. I'm gonna screen record it so you know say good girl not telling a lie what she a type say. Then I'm gonna do Jada Twinkle. I'm gonna say Goody with the big bumper. Love you, nah lie. I'm not really going on some. Come to Skilly. This is for Yaniki. I text him like me a Yaniki. Skillibeng. I'm gonna say dash for Taveionn. Dash for Taveionn. I'm gonna spell her name right the way I'm bad. Dash for Taveionn. I'm me and my friend time now. Oh God, please people. Who next? Which other Spice? Alright, messenger. You never did a do TC Rebel. I'm pretty so TC, I follow TC, so the original TC. I say good girl. I'm here for your link. Oh God, I'm pretty official. I'm gonna say, as my way take a look over the gram, Mr. Mickey Mouse Alice in a Wonderland. The gram. Missy, pretty TC and me man. Bomba! Me and the lyricist, vocabulary physicist. Yo, look out for me, you know. Look out for me. Alright. What's your name? Rebel Daily? And news. She name Daily like she give Daily news. Anyways. The ass. Mega said the ass never needed. Mega said the ass never needed. Oh Jesus. Please people. Please do not come for me. I'm just a small YouTuber trying to sing. Taveionn. I'm gonna say your own skilly, your fame. Upon me, we want collab at this. Alright. Shania, I'm a girl, you know. Shania, me, I'm a girl, you know. Shania, me, I'm a girl, you know. Love your girl non-stop. How much more gone already? My back kill me? I'm not even on Alkaline. So he name himself the man himself. No post, but me still woulda want your mail me your the yo bad girl pick up line that yeah. Him not a post for Instagram. Say no good girl going to the DM and say no post, but me still would want you mail me a D. Me yo but Ramesh Entertainment. I'm gonna say own your pitney. Own your pitney. Christopher Martin. I don't know why that just coming to my head. I wonder if I for text Christopher Tufton. Can I just come up a while ago, you know? Me not getting in trouble with them. Me. I don't know nobody else. Weird. Tifa most the pan. Tamachin is Tifa Divas for life. I'm gonna text her that Evie and Tifa Diva for life. Goody. Mommy can spell goody. Goody with the bent foot. Goody with the bent foot. Dexta Daps. Alright, so if only stop the battery dead and everything, but it did say run out of storage anyway. But me did message Dexta. I'ma say I put it in like password, so how you not find my Wi-Fi. Put it in like password. No, some fast search. Don't up upon me. That song them. Nobody not even text me back. Tommy Lee, then I go message Tommy Lee. I'ma say Uncle Demon. What more with the demon where you did? Where what? I feel dumb. I say Uncle Demon. What more with the demon where you did I go run for me. The first way you say it I go run for me. Wait, me type something else. But anyways, no big deal. Let's continue. I'ma do Mayan, just Mayan message. Nah lie. Moda I'm gonna say nah lie, Moda give up on the back seat. When I get up on the backseat, I want to feel it harder than concrete. I now wait to park under the damn tree. Bomba! So again, I want. It's not the time for talk. What your plan be? Alright. People, me kind of tired, you know. Alright, people, I am so shocked right now. I am so literally. I never think nobody would actually reply to me. If you understand what I am saying. I don't know if me know a different shirt, I don't know. I don't think me know a different shirt. But I am telling you guys, Taveionn reply. Me nah do this again. Me nah do this again. So I can't even bother screen record right about now. I can't bother with all of that. So me I make my TikTok. I'ma just say Taveionn name come up. I not even open me message yet. Cause I say this and for YouTube. I do it for YouTube. I forgot to text the girl and say it was just for YouTube, girl. Don't take it serious. I'm so freaking scared to open the message. My phone I cannot see it, but I only can see the name. I'ma say Taveionn roll up on my oh god. People I feel so freaking bad right now. Come no refresh. Okay. See there, the phone crack, but Taveionn say what? Taveionn people. See there, I'm not lying, the screen might look shitty, but what wanna see right this? Taveionn! Oh, to everybody, Taveionn reply. Oh! My text her, your own skilly of fame. And she texts back, oh, me not do this again. I'm gonna tell her, I'm gonna say sorry, love. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna say sorry, love was just a YouTube video. Sorry, love. Was just go see Taveionn and look on my face and I say, I laugh off for me and look on my page and I laugh. Oh, God, me nah do this again. Me nah do this again, Tavi. Tavi, big up your skilly. Me nah do this again, nah. I'm for say. Because I'm mash up my opportunity for talk to the girl. Sorry, love was just a YouTube video. I actually said nothing personal. I saw nothing spelled come out of get. Oh, nothing spelled. Jesus Christ. Nothing personal. Love your channel. I'm all gonna send. One heart emoji to below. Hey! 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 No! Jesus! Me I'll make my TikTok and Taveionn reply. Me don't want nobody else reply. I don't know if I should delete all of the messages they want me send. Me I delete them. Me I unsend the whole of them. Cause it's oh God, I feel so freaking bad. And look how my text Shensi about oh Jesus. Me unsend everybody. I not unsend Jada cause real talk. Jada have the big bumper. Mama unsend Skillibeng, Tavi, Queen of Dancer, Spice, oh me so brave. People, if you have a YouTube channel, do not do this. Good girl. Oh God, I don't know how me want so brave. No, mommy. Why you make me like this? I'm not doing this again. I'm not doing this again. No man, I'm not. But that's like I said, I'm save Alkaline, but I delete everybody, yeah, man. Put myself in a problem. I'm not even. So what have you have time of the day for answer? What have you have time of the day for answer me? Oh God, man, Tavi. You could have seen it and not say nothing. But oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh God. Tavi answer me. I'm not do this again. Ma delete Ramesh. What I say own your picnic. Jesus. And but I should have deleted it because suppose them want expose me, right? And then people start just follow me. I'ma just get fame from that way there. Who knows? Who knows? But I don't delete it. I not do it again. Do not do this. Jamaica set me up. This video was influenced by Jamaica. I'm going to put her link down in the description box below. If you're not dead, look for my channel. Any video where you see me, I want girl or Marga girl, you know, she named Jamaica. Go up on her page and be star. Because if she do this, I make me feel like this now. Done.